Are you looking for a fast and easy way to unadd people on Snapchat? In this video, I will show you how to quickly and efficiently remove unwanted contacts in just a few steps. I'll walk you through the process step by step, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. To get started, open up the Snapchat app and then tap on the Bitmoji profile icon at the top left. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see an option called Contacts. Once you find it, tap on it. So now what you want to do next is turn off Sync Contacts, and then tap where it says Delete All Contacts Data. And then confirm it. So now, Snapchat will not add all the contacts on your contact list, and it will limit who's been added. After that, go back and scroll down a little bit. And tap where it says, My Friends. So now, if you want to quickly unadd people, just tap and hold on their name, and then tap Manage Friendship. After that, simply tap Remove Friend, and then Remove, and it will remove and unadd that person. So as of right now, this is the quickest and easiest way to unadd people from Snapchat without using any third-party apps or shady websites. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.